Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to either show or hide certain information on our blog or category feed. Let's get started. So here on the Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu, go to Blog Pages, and then select Blog. Click on your blog posts element and go to Settings. And on this small window, go to the Display tab. Here you'll see the option called What Shows on Your Posts. So simply take the checkbox of the items or information you'd like to be displayed and simply untick the checkbox of the ones you wish to be hidden. Below, you can also decide whether you want to enable or disable showing your blog menu and category menu labels. Additionally, you can also click on social sharing and select whether or not you'd like to enable social sharing. And if you do, you can select which icons to show on your posts. Once you're done configuring the settings here, you can close this window and click on Publish so that the changes you've made will also be reflected on your live site. And that's it. Hope this video is helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.